Postoperative exercise. It is the exercise done by patient independently or with assistance to enhance a speedy recovery after surgery. Exercises include ambulation, diaphragmatic breathing or deep breathing exercise, coughing exercise, turning in bed, leg exercise. Ambulation. Assisting a patient to walk after a period of being immobile following surgery. It will help muscles and joints for regaining strength and to increase mobility and to prevent postoperative complications. Diaphragmatic or deep breathing exercise. Lung expansion exercise to be performed by patient to reduce post-operative respiratory complications. Assist patient to comfortable sitting or standing position. Instruct patient to place palm of one hand on chest and other hand on abdomen. Instruct inhaling slowly through the nose. On exhalation, the patient uses pursed lip breathing. Instruct to take 10 slow deep breaths every 2 hours. Repeat breathing exercise 3 to 5 times. Coughing exercise. Lung exercise to be performed by patient including voluntary coughing. Teach patient to place a small pillow or folded sheet over incisional area. Instruct to press gently against incisional area. Taking 2 slow deep breaths, inhaling through nose and exhaling through mouth. Breathe deeply a third time and hold breath to count of 3. Perform 2 to 3 consecutive coughs without inhaling between the coughs. Instruct to do 2 to 3 times every 2 hours. Turning exercise. Assisting patient to change position while in bed. Instruct patient to keep left leg straight and flex right knee up and over the left leg. Assist to turn to left. Place pillow behind the back. Instruct patient to turn every 2 hours. Leg exercise. Assisting patient to move lower limbs. Rotate each ankle in complete circle. Repeat for 5 times. Alternate dorsiflexion and plantar flexion by moving both feet up and down. Flexion and extension. Instruct patient alternatively flexing and extending knees. Repeat for 5 times. Leg raising exercise. Instruct patient to alternatively raise her legs straight up from bed surface, keeping legs straight. Repeat for 5 times. Practice exercise every 2 hours. Thank you.